Well, hello guys on YouTube. This is Coin Operated Rides and Fidget Spinners 2000. And on this lovely day, 61 I guess, 61 degrees, I'm out here with my Sunjo trj609e Weed Eater. I don't have it plugged in right now as for this purpose of the video, but I will show you more into the video. Today I want to show you how to use a string trimmer properly. Now, I was watching some videos on Sunjo and their electric trimmers. They say you can do it with one hand. That is probably not the safest way to do it, because see, once you're doing this, you're liable to get debris flown back at you, and you're liable to cut yourself with the string. That is why I normally use two hands on a string trimmer. I normally use, in this case, I'm using this hand on the handle, the back handle, and which is my right hand because I'm right-handed, and I'm using my left hand on the front handle. And so that is how you should normally know how to use a string trimmer. So yeah, so if you're left-handed, your left hand is going to go on the back handle with the trigger, and your right hand is going to go on the front handle. But as for me, I'm right-handed, so I use my right hand on the back handle and my left hand on the front handle. So my right hand is controlling the trigger, and my left hand is steering the Weed Eater. Now, another thing you want to know about using a Weed Eater. When you're cutting the grass, you want to make sure you're not burying your trimmer into the grass, or otherwise you're gonna kill your lawn, or as we call it, weed eater burn. So you want to have your trimmer just right, and then you want to make sure you get that nice even cut with the Weed Eater. So those are a few things on how to use a string trimmer. Another thing we're going to talk about is how to edge. So here's how that's done. Sorry guys, there is a bumblebee, so let me back out of the way before he... Okay, he's gone. Sorry guys, there was a bumblebee. Okay, let's get back to what we were doing. Okay, edging. Okay, I was just figuring this out with my Sunjo trj609e electric Weed Eater. Okay, so what I'm probably going to do is, from this position, I'm probably going to either turn it this way, or I'm actually going to flip it over. So, you hold your trimmer like this, flip it over, and there you have your edger. So now, you're holding it like this. So, I mean, there are ways you can do it. For me, because I'm using an electric string trimmer and the handle is shaped like this, I'm probably going to use my same finger configuration, my same hand configuration, and use that, but I'm going to flip the trimmer, so now it's an edger. So guys, those are my basics on using a trimmer. And I'm going to give a few shout outs today. One's going to go to Lawn Care Life. He does great videos. And Lawn Care Life. Jason Creel, that is the guy that runs Lawn Care Life. And Mario Scenes Landscaping Services. John 3800. All those lawn care enthusiasts, string trimmers, all those guys that do string trimmer videos. And also Jason Creel, Lawn Care Life guy. If you do get a chance to watch this video, I hope you like my explanation, and I hope that you think that this is a cool trimmer for me to start with, because I am certainly not going to be able to maintain gas or oil, so this is the best I'm probably going to be able to come to when it comes to a string trimmer. So Jason Carril, Lawn Care Life, I hope you find this video interesting. And guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.